you, Shikshak. This is Monisha. What's coffee morning? Oh, wait. बताती हूँ मैं आपको. उससे पहले हम बात करेंगे. Can we use have coffee or take coffee differently? क्या इनमें मीनिंग में डिफरेंस होता है? Yes, there is a difference. Have coffee का मतलब होता है to drink coffee. Whereas take coffee का मतलब होता है the way you would like to have coffee. इसीलिए आप जब किसी को कॉफी ऑफर करते हो तो आप बोलते हो would you like to have some coffee? लेकिन यदि आप जानना चाहते हैं कि वो किस तरह कॉफी लेंगे तो how will you take your coffee? With sugar or without sugar? डिफरेंस क्लियर हुआ आपको? You can use sip with take. I took a sip of coffee. This take reminds me of few more usages of the word take. आप बोलते हैं I took my medicine. Take drug और medicine का मतलब होता है consume it, swallow it. Second use, आप अपने friends से notes लेते हैं. You take notes from somebody. इसका मतलब होता है write it down somewhere to remember it for future. Third, you take a feeling. For example, he took pride of his son's achievements. इसका मतलब होता है you feel proud or pleased with for something. Fourth, if you take someone for something, इसका मतलब होता है you wrongly believed the person to be something. जैसे कि अगर आप बोलते हैं I'm sorry, I took him to be your elder brother. I didn't know he is your younger brother. Fifth, आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि एक टेक में ओके होगी शूटिंग. So yes, take is also a short piece of action that is filmed in a continuous session for movie, for television. Lastly, coming back to what's coffee morning. So in Britain, coffee morning is usually a small event at somebody's place, which is called or invited in the morning for coffee, and the purpose for which is to raise some money for charity. Coffee morning or coffee mornings, people gather for coffee in the morning to raise some money for charity. So याद रखिए, यदि कोई आपको मॉर्निंग में कॉफी के लिए बुला रहा है तो go with some money in your pocket. Hope this session is informative for you all. Bye bye.